Hey guys, Mateo with Byrider here in Madison. You might ask yourself, why Byrider? Well, why not? At Byrider, we do have a lot to offer, from our great selection of makes and models to our credit building program that helps customers get into a newer, nicer car regardless of your credit situation. Whether you have a low credit score, no credit score, any past credit issues, we want you back on track to rebuilding your credit and back on the road in your new set of wheels. And we made it super easy for our customers to start the application process. It's as easy as going on your phone, tablet, or computer and go to www.byrider.com. And once you are on our website, click Get Approved. A fast and easy approval process if time or distance is an issue. So why wait? Give us a call at 608-663-1213 and apply today.